Hi, hello everyone. This is RK. Welcome back to my channel Byte Code with RK. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. If you have any queries on the current session, please comment below. I will try to clarify your doubt. Currently, we are discussing one of the most important concept of the Java8 feature, that is option class. And we have covered few methods of the option class. Right now, we will discuss orElseGet method of the option class. Let us see what is RS method in option class. Examples on wrapper and custom types. Or else get RS get method is used to return supplier when there is no value present in optional. Okay, and the sin means it will return supplier function interface as a return type if there is no value present in the optional object. Okay, and the syntax for this is T is the generic type and else get. Okay, and it will take supplier as a argument to the orElseGet method. Okay, and it is also similar to the or else only, but in case of or else it will return the default value or dummy value. In case of orElseGet, it will return the supplier function interface. Okay, takes the supplier interface and returns the value. Okay, some action it will do. Supplier is the function interface which doesn't take anything but returns some value. So if you are new to the supplier function interface, please go through my previous videos. I have done a video on the supplier function interface. Okay, let me implement the orElseGet method. Okay, orElseGet optional. Okay, I forgot to tell you one point. So it is a lazy method. Okay, it is a lazy method which will be executed on demand. So it will not the else part, which means the else part, right? Generally, the else part will not execute until unless the optional object returns null only. If the object of the optional is null, then only it will execute or else get method. Otherwise, it will not execute at all. Okay, let me create the method first. Now orElseGet with wrapper types. So I am creating an optional class of type string, and it is orElseGet. Okay, optional dot of value, and it is optional with else get example. Okay, so I have created an optional class object that is of type string, and the object is orElseGet. Object name is orElseGetter, and I am using optional dot of method which takes optional with orElseGet example as a string. A string is an input to of method of the option class. Okay, now let me print this one. orElseGet, what it will return? Of method having some value, so we'll get the value directly. Let me run this one. You see here, optional of optional with orElseGet example we got. If you don't want this optional of, then we can use the get method. Okay, let me run again. If I run, so optional with or else only we got. Okay, so up to this it is fine, because we need to handle orElseGet method we need to handle. So for that we need to pass this as an empty. Okay, optional dot empty method I am passing. So now it is empty. orElseGet will return so empty. Okay, so what is the in empty case we need to check, right? So I'm applying orElseGet method, which takes the supplier as an input. Okay. So supplier is the function interface which doesn't take anything. That's why I'm not taking anything. So I'm just using the input as a curly braces. Okay. Arrow mark. Here I'm applying lambda style. Okay. And I just want to return some value. Okay. Mediator. Okay. Since I am getting empty object, empty data for the orElseGet method, so I am passing dummy object orElseGet. Okay, so it takes supplier as input and returns dummy. Okay, let me run this one. See, I am getting the dummy data. So this here orElse is right. orElseGet method is the reduce the boilerplate code, because it was using if it internally checks if the value is present, it will print the value. If the value is not present, then it will takes the supplier action and it will do some action. It will perform some action using the supplier function interface. Okay. So now what will happen here? So this way, if part true part is internally take care by orElseGet method internally. If it is returns to object is not null, it will execute the true part. Else it will execute the orElseGet part. Okay. This is how it works. So orElse with custom objects. Okay, custom objects with custom objects. Okay, I'm creating an optional class object, optional of players. Okay, and object is orElseGet custom. Okay, equal to I'm taking the optional class of method to get the data. Okay, data source is the class where it will return data source dot get data. You see, I am passing null instead of returning the player's object. I am returning null to check whether we are getting the orElseGet condition is executing or not. Okay, I need to change it to list of players. Okay. This is out. orElseGet cust.get. Here we are getting exception because data source.get data returns only, right? So for that reason orElseGet cust object return. Okay, so what I will do means, when it is returning, we should have else part, else get which internal takes supplier as an input. Okay, supplier is the one which doesn't take anything. That's why I'm not passing anything in the curly in the braces. Okay, and I'm doing lambda style of applying and then created a list. For that I need to get list of players. Okay, equal to elastic list equal to new list of list dot add okay. So if you see here, so since orElseGet a cust object returning result, right? So it will goes to the orElseGet method part, and then it will take supplier in as an argument, right? Supplier doesn't take anything but returns some value. To return the value, I have created list of players object, that is list, and I have added one player details into the list, and then I am returning that player. Okay, list of players equal to, okay, returns a list of players. Let me print P. Let me run this one.
You see the result, you will see Rishabh Pant and Abhishek Sharma was printed on the switch. Why? Because the RL's parties, RL's get parties executed. Because RL's get cust object is returning null. Since I am returning data source dot get data is a null, it was executing the else spot, and else spot will contains a list of layers that to the list of layers I have added two list of layers, and I am returning the list of points. So when or else get cust object is, that is the optional object of the list of layers is returning null, then or else get method will be executed, or else get method having supplier, right? Supplier doesn't take anything, but it returns a list of values. That's why it was returning Shafant and Abhishek Verma as an output. If you see the off nullable method, it was returning null because data source dot get data is returning null, right? That's why I'm taking optional dot off nullable method, because we were not sure that the object is returning or null or non-null, right? So that case we should go for the off nullable method. Okay, that is about the or else get method of the option.
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, X, and Facebook. See you in the next session with the new topic. Thank you.